So now, coming in, we're just about to take out this beautiful Aston Martin 1970 DBS Volante, and I've got the pleasure of driving it, and I'm extremely excited. So let's see what it sounds like. So